In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MailChimp audience and tag properly. Our goal is to set you up for success in managing your audiences more efficiently. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to visit MailChimp's website and log into your account. Once you're in, let's explore how to create tags manually, which is the first crucial step. Navigate your way to audience, then all contacts. Here, it's important to select the specific audience you're looking to work with. This ensures that any tagging or segmentation is done on the right group of people. As you get to know this layout, you'll see how easily accessible everything is on this page. Next, you'll want to click on Tags, then Create Tags. You'll need to give your tag a name, something that's descriptive and straightforward, for instance, new customer, VIP, or event attendee, depending on what best fits your needs or campaign strategy. After naming your tag, you simply click Create, and there you have it, a tag ready to be used for organizing your contacts. Now that you've got tags set up, let's discuss how you can tag contacts themselves. Begin by selecting the contacts you want to apply these tags to. You do this by ticking the checkboxes next to the contact names. Once you've made your selections, proceed to click on Add or Remove Tags. At this point, you have the freedom to choose an existing tag or create a new one right on the spot. It really allows for a flexible approach, whether you're following a structured plan or adjusting on the fly. Once you've decided on the tag, click Apply, and those tags will be attached to your selected contacts. It's really all about making sure that your lists are properly categorized and easy to navigate. Finally, let's explore how tags can be leveraged for segmentation, bringing us to an exciting aspect of using MailChimp effectively. You'll head over to Audience again, then Segments, and from there, Create Segment. Use conditions like tag is followed by your specific tag name to refine the audience you're targeting. MailChimp allows you to combine these tags with other criteria, such as location, purchase history, or engagement levels. This layering of data ensures that your segmentation is as precise as it needs to be, ultimately providing a better, more personalized experience for your contacts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making the most out of MailChimp's audience and tag feature. By keeping your audiences organized and thoughtfully segmented, you not only enhance communication but also build more meaningful relationships with your subscribers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tagging.